welcome back to my channel. My name is Hao and today I am gonna be unboxing my iPhone 14 Pro Max. I'm super excited to have a new phone. Not that my old phone was terrible or anything, but I did have the iPhone 12 Pro and it definitely could not hold a charge for more than like 6 hours, which became kind of an issue for my life. So I did upgrade my phone. It's been 2 years and I'm really excited to unbox this for you as well as show you the case that I got for it. I am collabing with BURGA, which is a phone case brand. It actually is the brand of the phone case that I used to use. So I was the one that reached out to them and I was like, hey, do you want to collab? Because I love your phone cases and I need a new one for my new phone. But more about that later. We'll get into the unboxing pretty soon. I just want to say that I'm not a tech YouTuber. If you're looking for specs and all that stuff, there are some great tech YouTubers who will give you all that information. I'm just gonna go through kind of the unboxing and setting it up to show y'all what comes in the box and just how pretty the phone is. Alright, we're back and I just wanted to show you the cases that I got. BURGA sent me so many goodies and I'm very excited. BURGA is a European brand. They specialize in tech accessories. They do iPhone cases, Macbook cases. They do some Samsung phones and other cases as well, so they're not just Apple products. If you do have a different phone, they have a ton of designs. I think they have over 100 designs. I was specifically drawn to them for this design. This is my old case. It is the Bloomy Gardens design. BURGA also always has this deal where you can buy 4 and get 2 free. Essentially, you'd only be paying for 2 cases and you'd get 2 more. That's really great for people who like to mix up their phone cases. I picked 3 out because I definitely want to change them up with my outfits. And also they gave me a discount code, which you will be able to get 15% off if you use it. I will link all that information in the description box below. I didn't expect much of the case when I got it 2 years ago, but my iPhone 12 held up so well with this case. I returned it in perfect condition. I drop my phone all the time, literally all the time. There is a crack in the snap part of it right here. And this happened, I want to say 1 month before this came. 2 and something years before it even cracked. That's pretty freaking good. They have about 5 different types of cases. They have just a normal like plastic snap case. They also have a tough case, which is the kind that I am using right now, where it has this silicone rubber casing and then you snap the plastic part onto it for extra protection. They also have an elite case, which has the silicone rubbery material with the plastic on the back of it already attached, so it's not 2 pieces, it's just 1. And then with the tough case and the elite case, they also have MagSafe versions. The iPhone cases that I got are MagSafe compatible. This is my first time using MagSafe accessories and chargers on my phone. I use a pop wallet for my cards and everything, so I got the MagSafe version of it and it just pops right on, super sturdy. Their MagSafe cases work really, really well. I also tested it with a portable charger and it had no issues charging my phone. I am super happy with the performance of this case. The camera bezels are actually more raised than they were in this last one, which is really cool. They flush flat with the raised bezels. It's so nice. So let's get into the cases. Each of the cases come in this really nice velour bag with a drawstring and these two golden ends to them. From the packaging to the case itself, everything is so well made. I got 3 iPhone cases. I have it in Bloomy Garden, which is my absolute favorite pattern of theirs. I have it in Ivy League, which is this really cool checkered print. I got mine in green, of course. I think they have more neutral colors as well, but I really like the green one. And I also got mine in Funky Sensation, which is gonna be so freaking cute for next spring and summer. I can't wait to use this one. And honestly, their cases hold up so well that I probably won't need to switch them because they get ruined or anything. I definitely will just be switching them for aesthetic purposes because these are really durable cases. All of the MagSafes work really well. I haven't had issues with any of them. They each also have a little BURGA logo, but it's not super invasive or anything. It kind of just blends in with the design really well, so I like that. Next case that I got are these AirPod Max cases. Oh my gosh, these are so freaking cute and they match my AirPods perfectly. The print quality is so amazing. It seriously looks like I bought my AirPods with these prints on them. They're also very, very thin, so they don't look bulky. They just sit really well on the AirPods. The AirPod Max case that I got is in the pattern Lush Meadows. I was definitely in between a couple of different designs for these. I almost went with the mint gelato one because that one's super cute too, and I think it would look cute on my AirPods, but I really like flowers. I'm in my cottagecore era, you know, and they protect my AirPods from clanking against each other, which they do. And now they still clank against each other, but it's the case and not the actual AirPods, so the aluminum won't scratch, which is really awesome. Yeah, so they look pretty much like the normal green AirPods, but now they have this really cute flower detailing and I'm super happy about them. I also picked up the new AirPod Pros 2 that just got released with the iPhone 14, and I'm so glad I did because I was using the Generation 1s for a while. They're great and everything, but noise cancellation is such a game changer. I was on a flight to LA and time just flew by. There was a crying baby and everything. It did such a great job at canceling out noise. Anyways, this video is not about the AirPod Pro 2s, but they're great. Would recommend. The AirPod Pro 2 cases came in a really cute little black cardboard box and you just slide it out. Then you have the top of it, the bottom of the case. It also comes with a cute little key ring. It's very high quality. I chose my case in the pattern Sanctuary of Love. I love it. And now I can hook it onto things. Not that I would because they'd probably get stolen. I don't think that BURGA has made an AirPod Pro 2 case yet. So there are some things that don't quite fit with the newer AirPod case. They don't have little holes for the new speakers at the bottom. For some reason, they also don't have a little section for the connect button on the back. It's not a big deal to me because my AirPods are always connected to my devices, but you would have to slide your AirPods out to actually click the button on the back of the case if you wanted to connect it to a different device. That's the only downside. I've purchased AirPod cases in the past and my biggest issue was losing the top part. It would just be super loose, fall out, and get lost forever. But this case actually is very good. It's not gonna go anywhere. You can see the little green light through the case, and it also has a very subtle BURGA logo on the front of it, which matches with the rest of the theme. So the last case I got is for my iPad mini 6. It is in the pattern Daydream and it is this cute mint green with these dark green flowers and they have little yellow centers in them. This case is beautiful. It's made of a Saffiano leather, which is really surprising to me. It also has the sleep wake function when you close the iPad, so it'll turn on and then it will turn off when you close the cover. It also has a place to put your Apple Pencil. There's a little notch on the back for you to just pop your Apple Pencil out easily, and there's a little place where you can stand your Apple Pencil, which is really cool because sometimes you just don't want it charging while you're in the middle of drawing and you just need a place to put it. It also has two sections, so you can stand it up to be a little more vertical, or you can have it at a slighter angle if you'd like. I really like this extra room on the side for me to hold it, because sometimes when I'm just holding my iPad on the bezel, my finger gets in the way and accidentally presses stuff, so it's nice to just be able to hold it on the case. I did get one more thing from BURGA, and it is a MacBook case for my M2 MacBook Air, and it is in the pattern Misty Forest. It's super lightweight. I love how flexible it is. The bottom is clear. My biggest concern was that it was going to add extra weight to my laptop, and I love how light the M2 MacBook Air is, but it was not an issue at all. It's still very light. I love the starlight color, but it will get dented or ruined if I don't have a case on it, and I am a big believer in putting cases on your devices. I really hope that this video helped y'all out in your decision making, whether it's buying an iPhone or buying a new case for it. If it did, please consider giving this video a thumbs up. That really helps my channel. If you're into the more tech videos, let me know in the comments. I'd love to make more for you. Or just let me know which patterns you like the most, because that's always super interesting to me. If you're interested in subscribing, I typically make videos about products that I enjoy trying or using. I would love to have you here. And with that said, I hope that you have an amazing day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!